Hi, welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? It's all about the power of 3. 3 is a really important number, not just for composition. Did you know that 3 objects placed together is psychologically more interesting than 2 or 4? Observe the old masters, have a look, you'll see what I mean. Anyway, I digress. Something I do a lot in the Smart Art Academy too, chatting about one thing, disappear off onto another subject, but we have only got 2 minutes, Susan, so get a shufti on. Right, I'm talking about 3s in the tone of colours. So every time you have a colour family, when you're planning a picture, make sure you've got a dark, a mid-tone and a light in each colour family. So in the Smart Art Academy, we've just done a master copy of John Singer Sargent's A Girl Fishing. Now his was in oil, we've done it in pastel. But you'll notice there are 2 main colour families here, blue and brown. And that's the brown is echoed in the figure as well. So we've chosen 3 shades of blue, a dark, a mid and a light. 3 shades of brown, a dark, a mid and a light. And that will bring believability and a 3-dimensional quality to your artwork. And also because we've got 3 in the same colour family, it harmonises your painting too. So make sure you think about the power of 3, have a dark, a mid-tone and a light. Again, something we talk about a lot in the Academy and on my longer workshops. Check out the comments below to register and also join us in the Academy. Another point, note there's no white. So in our light in this colour family of blue is a pale blue. The light in this colour family of brown is actually, it's a bit like a Naples yellow, it's kind of a goldy brown because we've got, this is a very red-brown family that we're looking at here. Same in this little study of still life. Oh look, there are 3 oranges. But I've used the red as a dark tone, the orange as a mid-tone, and the yellow as the highlight, because as we know, red and yellow make orange. So we've got this lovely kind of circular feel to the painting. So make sure you are observant on what lights you are using and keep those whites just for the little shines on water or a little speck here and there. Use other colours for your highlights like yellows or the pale version of the colour families you are looking at. So I have talked for over 2 minutes, but this is approximately take 357. So check out the comments, come see one of the longer workshops that I'm taking. Subscribe, like, do all the things, and I'll see you on next week's 2-minute art hack. Bye.